Hi, this is Jay. This is the last video regarding ETCD recovery tutorial. If you didn't see previous videos, please watch those videos first. Today, we will break all ETCD members, then I will show you how to recover them. First of all, I want to make sure that we have backup data already before we break the ETCD. Okay, we have backup data. Now we can break ETCD. To demonstrate this one, I will remove the ETCD package at all. Then I will remove ETCD data as well. I will stop ETCD and delete ETCD data. Okay, I'll remove that. Then I will remove ETCD package. Okay, we remove the ETCD data and also package as well. So after that, OpenShift does not work. It doesn't respond because there is no more data. So OpenShift cannot get any object. We broke ETCD all members. Now I will recover 1 to 5 ETCD member first. I will export the target ETCD first, and then I'm going to install ETCD. Then I will copy backup data to ETCD data folder. Before that, I'm gonna show you where is ETCD data path and my backup data dir. To be clear, I will delete ETCD data path once more, and then I will copy my backup data to that ETCD data path. After that, I will change SC Linux and also ownership of all files under ETCD data path. I will copy etcd backup file as well to the etcd folder. Then I also change the ownership of all files under that folder. Then I will update etcd conf file like a new etcd member. So etcd initial cluster should contain VM 1 to 5 itself, and we will need to set etcd initial cluster state to new. Now we will add force new cluster option to the service and then do daemon reload and restart etcd. Let's check the etcd status. It's active and running. And we need to check member list, and as you see, the PO URL has localhost. So we need to update the member to use IP address. Then we will check again. Now it uses IP address. Now it's time to remove that force new cluster option from service and then daemon reload. Check it out, the option is removed or not. And then we will restart the etcd. Let's check etcd status. It's active and running. So it's done. So now we will check the data size of etcd. It checks each members, but there is only one etcd member now. There is a 10 megabyte. It is recovered. That's why we can get the data from this etcd by OC command line. The first etcd member is recovered. It's time to recover second etcd member. For that, I will export the target etcd and install etcd. Dislike the first etcd recovered. This time, we will only recover etcd configuration files. Then I will update the etcd conf file. And I will remove the etcd initial cluster. I will use this one, like a new etcd member, and save it and out. Then I will add the force new class option to the service and daemon reload, then restart etcd, and then I will check the status of etcd. Okay, it is active, and I will check it out. Like before, we need to check PO URL has localhost or not, but we just updated PO URL for each IP address. As you see, it is IP address. Then I will remove force new cluster from the service, then daemon reload and restart. Okay, it is active and running. Now I will add the etcd member to the cluster. For that, I need to stop etcd first. Then I move to 1 to 5 that is recovered like before. Then I will add the new etcd member to the cluster. Okay, it is added. So I will copy this output. Then I will go back to PVM and I will update etcd conf file. Before I edited these two parameters, and I will remove it, and I paste the output. Then now we will remove the etcd member data, and we will change ownership of var_lib etcd data folder to etcd. Okay, it's ready to start etcd. Okay, it is started. Then let's check member list first. As you see, it's a little bit difficult, so I'm gonna make it full display. So there are 2 members now, and check it out, the health. Both are healthy. What about data? Okay, it is synchronized. So second etcd member also recovered. We left third etcd member. The third etcd recovery process is the exactly same as second one. So I will recover it without explanation. Now we will add the etcd to the cluster. I will copy it. Then I will paste it here. Okay, it is recovered. As you see, every ETCD member is healthy and data is synchronized. All tutorial is finished. I hope this helped you to get rid of ETCD recovery stress. Thank you.